might not know that you can actually do caption generation on Canva, not just only on CapCut. So I'm going to be showing that right now. So instead, I'm talking about this, using caption on your video, putting caption on your video, just like this. This is for CapCut. Now let's see how we can do it on Canva real quick. So I'm just going to expand this completely and just going to open this up. Now this is Canva. I hope you guys are using the pro version. I don't think it works for free version, right? So I'm just going to come here and start a new project and go to your uploads. I'm just going to go to a video I already have here on my Canva actually. Have you been desiring to watch it with? This video already has a caption, but for this tutorial purpose and illustration purpose, I'm just going to caption or regenerate the caption for you guys to see. Make sure you already highlighted a video like this, and once you've done that, you're just going to come to apps. Yeah, a lot of apps in here. So we're just going to come to the search bar and you search for subtitles. So once you here, you will be seeing something like this. You will be seeing what we're about to do right now. So we're just going to come here and search for subtitles. Subtitles, sorry. And we'll pick the first one, and you see other apps here. So there are apps for subtitles. So we want to use animated subtitles, right? So click on that. Then you say start. And remember, there's a place for history of what you've generated captions for before. So we're going to click on this to select the ones we want to use. I'm not using all pages I have other design, so that's why it has 4 pages. So I'm going to pick the first one I want to do, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on export. Once you click on export, it gives you some few minutes, depending on how long, how lengthy, how heavy your file is. But first, once you're uploading, make sure your video is already uploaded before you try to generate captions. So we already have this caption already. So you have options. So for this one, there's this caption, then there's this caption, there's this caption. There are different styles. So actually, so I'm gonna pick the first one. I like the way the yellow is coming out. So now it's coming out this way. So I'm just gonna try to use the small size, not the medium size, because it's gonna be falling out of the space, right? So after that, you can now choose your fonts. You can select the font you want to use. Is it Oswald or, sorry, you can just pick any font. So I think this is way better for me. So this is a preview before you're going to bring it into this, your design, right? So you can choose where you want it to be, top, bottom, middle. So I'm just going to leave it at the bottom, not for distraction. So you can select your color. You want to change your color, you can change your color. Okay, I'm just gonna real quick drag this so that you guys can see what is going on right here. I'm just gonna change this. Now, here we are. You click on generate. That's why I reduce this so that you guys can see everything going on. So click on generate. Once you click on generate, you'll give some few minutes for it to load up. Okay. Have you been desiring to watch it with us in person in any? So this is it. We got what we want. And we have number of lines, so you can just say line 2, line 3, generate video with subtitles and all that, and all that, and all that. So we have different options here to report, remove from apps and all that, so you don't need all that. Now, we're going to go to the bottom and say generate video with subtitles. I would say preferably we should be using, what is it called? The option of what am I trying to say now? The option for landscape video, not just the portraits, because most of the time the portrait doesn't come out well. So I'm just gonna go back here and see what we are exporting, how far we have gone with the export. So you're just gonna say take some few seconds, minutes, depending on the size of your file, like I said earlier on. So while we're waiting, please go ahead to smash the like button for this video, subscribe, go in the comment section, let me know if you've seen this before, it's first time trying this, and what's your take on this? Would you prefer to use your caption on Canva or CapCut, which is still your preference? Just let us know in the comment section. If you feel this is not what you want or what you expected, then you can let us know in the comment section. I'll be glad to discuss with you right there. So now we have different, they say completed. So this is the first one I did before. So you have the option of the first one and second one. And yeah, So we'll click on this. Once you click on it, then it tells you add to design. So we can just play to preview to be sure which of them we're
Have
using.
you been desiring to worship with us?
So we have that there. You can click to see on full screen. You can click to edit your stuff, and just like that. So once we're done, we'll click on that, and you say add to design. When you say add to design, it brings it to this section. So you can delete the other ones you had before. Click on it and drag. Like I said, it's more preferable to do it on landscape, not the portrait mode. So animated subtitles successfully added to the media of your library. So now let's play and see what we just did. My network is a little bit okay. So this is what we generated.
Have you been desiring to worship with us in person in any of our camps?
So this is the bottom caption for it. So you can say show captions. So basically that's just it, guys. Let me know in the comment section if this helped you. Let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.